Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Vanessa 2.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series, where we provide you with the tools and insights to navigate the world of artificial intelligence. In our last episode, we explored language AI solutions and how they are transforming fields like content creation, customer service, and more. Today, we'll be turning our attention to another critical area of AI, data AI solutions. From data analytics to big data platforms, we'll cover the models and tools that help you harness the power of data. Let's dive in. Data AI solutions are designed to process, analyze, and draw insights from data, whether it's structured or unstructured. These solutions power everything from business intelligence and data-driven decision-making to predictive analytics. By leveraging data AI models and tools, businesses can turn vast amounts of information into actionable insights, improving efficiency, reducing costs, and driving innovation. Let's start by looking at some of the AI models that help process and analyze data. XGBoost, a powerful machine learning algorithm designed for structured data. XGBoost is widely used for tasks like classification, regression, and ranking, and is known for its speed and performance on large datasets. LightGBM, a fast, high-performance framework for gradient boosting. Like XGBoost, it's highly effective on large datasets and is used for classification and regression tasks. TensorFlow, a versatile deep learning framework that can also be applied to data analytics tasks, especially when dealing with unstructured data or advanced AI techniques. Now, let's explore some of the tools that bring these models to life and make data analytics more accessible. Tableau, a data visualization tool that helps users create interactive and shareable dashboards. Tableau can connect to various data sources, providing insights through visuals like graphs, charts, and heat maps. DataRobot, an end-to-end AI platform that automates the building, deploying, and monitoring of machine learning models. It's used by businesses to streamline the data science process and gain insights from data faster. Databricks Lakehouse Platform, a unified platform that combines data engineering, machine learning, and analytics. It's built to manage big data and provide advanced analytics, making it perfect for large-scale data projects. When it comes to implementing data AI solutions, GitHub has become an invaluable resource for the data science community. Let's explore what's available. FreeCodeCamp's open-source curriculum, offering comprehensive data science learning materials and interactive coding challenges. Microsoft's Data Science for Beginners, a 10-week curriculum with hands-on projects and assignments. Best of Machine Learning with Python, a curated list of over 900 open-source projects ranked by quality. Data Science Cheat Sheets, quick references for machine learning, probability, SQL, and big data operations. Our AI Solutions Marketplace helps you navigate these resources by curating the most effective data AI solutions. We provide direct links to model repositories, and we include community feedback and use cases with user reviews. Our data AI category is updated in real time to include all of the latest advancements in data AI models, tools, and platforms. Whether you're just starting with data science or looking to implement advanced analytics, our marketplace can guide you to the right resources and tools for your needs. Data AI solutions are widely applied across various industries, helping organizations manage, process, and draw insights from massive amounts of data. Some key use cases include business intelligence. Tools like Tableau allow organizations to visualize data, track key metrics, and make informed decisions based on real-time insights. Predictive analytics. Models like XGBoost are used to predict future trends and behaviors based on historical data, making them invaluable for sectors like finance, healthcare, and marketing. Big data management. Platforms like Databricks Lakehouse enable businesses to handle enormous amounts of structured and unstructured data, facilitating fast and efficient querying and analysis. These solutions are essential for turning raw data into valuable insights that can drive business outcomes. At newbits.ai, you can explore a range of data AI models and tools in our AI Solutions Marketplace, where you'll find solutions tailored to your needs. In our next episode, we'll be shifting focus to audio/vision AI solutions, exploring how AI models and tools are powering advancements in speech recognition, image processing, and beyond. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.